So we're beginning the process of packing up my closet. Nikki made piles of things she thinks I will want to keep, donate, and sell. And so I'm a little bit scared, but we're going to go through everything. I'm assuming this is the giveaway pile. This pile is sell.
This is keep.
This is keep. And this is okay. And which drawers have we emptied?
All of these. Except for this. This is itchy stuff. I don't know if you want it or not, so I just put it in here.
That's how you classified it, itchy stuff? Well,
it was itchy, so I didn't know if you wanted to keep it or give it away, but if you feel it, it's going to sandpaper on your hands.
No, it's not. No, Nikki. Those aren't as scary as these, though.
I started the second one, but I'm working on it. It's a mess. Leave it.
Oh, okay.
There's a method to my madness, but I don't have enough space.
Okay, so now we have to go through all of it?
We have to go through all of it and separate it.
Oh my gosh, you guys. I haven't seen my closet this empty since I built it, but today is the first day that I'm starting to pack up my closet, and seeing it empty like this makes me realize that I had way too much stuff in it, and when I bring it to my new house, I'm going to make sure it's not so cluttered and doesn't look so jam-packed, because there was just way too much stuff in here. But I wanted to show you guys, there's so much stuff everywhere in here, and I have laundry all over. But my mom picked up these bags from the dollar store. These are the bags, extra large bags, and I just filled, she got me like 15 of them. I filled them with the clothes, and they're so amazing. It just makes it so easy. There's handles, and I packed up a good portion of my clothes. You guys saw. Even just left the stuff on the hangers that were on hangers and packed it all away. And these are also amazing for if you want to like take your winter clothes out of your closet. You can just put them all in there. Kind of the same things as a bin, but I just feel like these are better. They have a zipper, so your stuff isn't going to fall everywhere. So I have this one, I have two over there, and then I have two more in my closet that I'm filling up. So you can literally see I just put my clothes in there. I still left some stuff that I'm probably going to be wearing, but I packed up most of my shoes. I donated so much stuff, and I also made a big pile of stuff I'm going to give away to you guys. But now I'm going to pack up my perfumes. I cleaned all of the makeup, went through it, and this is the stuff I'm keeping. As I said, I've been really trying to get through and actually use my makeup, and I've been pretty good at it. I haven't really bought any makeup recently. Like, I went a little crazy the past few years. So that's the first layer. I'm gonna put a lot of bubble wrap, and then I'm gonna I cleaned everything out and kind of do layers. I don't know any other way to pack makeup. Okay, so it's the night before I'm moving in. So I actually don't have any curtains or anything in my house, and I have a lot of windows. Like, if you see here, window, patio, window, window, window. There's a lot of windows, and my blinds aren't gonna be ready for at least a few more weeks. Nikki actually is the one who found the solution. We got No Tools, original pleated curtains or blinds or whatever. So basically you just stick them to the top. You can cut them exactly how long you want them to be, and they're just gonna act as my curtains and for the time being, because it's, you know, pretty scary being here at night. Well, not scary, but it's like, I don't want people looking in. We also got the second sconce for my bathroom, so I'm gonna have probably my sister's boyfriend install that, because he knows how to do all that stuff. I can be pretty crafty, pretty nifty. I could figure a lot of stuff out, but I'm not gonna start doing wires and electricity. And then we also went to IKEA. Everything we wanted was out of stock, but we adapted, okay? I wanted a ceiling track system for my curtains. The one I wanted was out of stock, but they had this other one, which was literally how much, like $8. I guess I'll go from like, ow, I just got a paper cut. Oh. Ow. I guess I'll go from here. Like, I'll do like the door, like.
Yeah.
Right? Oh my god, Nikki, I'm bleeding. I'm assuming. Oh. Oh. Wait. Whoa.
Oh.
I'm very happy that this is even an option. It's great, especially because they were $8. Even if you just have like a basement window and you want to have them covered, you could, like, it's such an affordable option. Everything's getting packed up. The movers are here. So far, they're great. I'll let you know at the end of the day if I recommend them. Packing up everything, getting everything out of the house. Not the most exciting vlog footage, but basically everything's being packed up. We have my treadmill I've used twice. But in my new house, in my little gym area, I will use it for sure. Oh wow, it really does help. The temporary blackboard blinds. So last night we got the sconces up in here. They look so good. We just have to hang the mirror higher on the wall and touch the paint up because the paint is so fresh. It kind of got scratched, but I'm really excited. And I think once we change the faucet to gold and everything, it'll be perfect. I'm trying to figure out where I want all my stuff to go. So these organizers are from IKEA. They're also from IKEA that I'm using for my makeup. And then I think my hair products and everything for my hair will be here. Oh, a nipple sticker. Okay, so I was getting tonight's video ready. And guess what arrived? All of my Zara home stuff arrived. So I'm gonna take everything out and I'll show you guys in a Zara home haul. To get this like sticker residue off, you put a little lemon essential oil and it comes right off. I look like I've been through it, but good morning guys. Yesterday I moved. I'm not sure exactly how much footage I got of that because it was just a crazy day, but today is the first day I woke up in my new house. Clearly had a great sleep and the state of my house isn't great. Sorry about the banging. They're working on the outside of my house. The state of my house isn't great, but we have furniture. I want to lower the chandelier a little bit. That's where the electrician put it, but I want to lower it maybe 2 inches. And then we have my living room area. All is not done yet, but this is not the couch that I'm keeping forever, although I do like it better in this house compared to my condo. I just think, I don't know, the colors, the floor, everything looks so much better. And yeah, but my kitchen is just in a state. I have boxes literally everywhere, every corner, every single corner, but I mean, that's expected. I hired movers to move, and I really recommend them. They're called We Haul Movers in Montreal. They took apart my whole IKEA system, put it all back together, and look at it in my new office. It literally looks so good, except one of the lights stopped working, which was fine. I'll just go pick up another one. And then also I have to move this shelf down there. They put the wrong shelf there. I have my makeup desk, which I need to fill all back up. I have all of my clothes and everything in here, but wow, it looks so good. I'm so happy. It looks even better in this room than my old room. It just like fits super well. I'm super happy. And my bedroom furniture looks so tiny. It's crazy because in my old bedroom, it took up the entire room, this like little setup. If I stand back, it looks so tiny. This is not my priority at the moment. I'm not rushing out to get like a king size bed anytime soon. But I just thought it was cute, it was funny. But this rug is delicious. It's from Zara Homes. I am going to do a whole Zara Home video talking about all the stuff I get, show what style did my home, give my honest thoughts. I want to put this at the end of my bed. Oh, it looks so cute. This one is also from Zara Home. I absolutely love it. It's the perfect size. I thought it was going to be a little bit thicker. It's a little thin, but it's good just for at the foot of the bed. This art, I believe it's from Decenio. I don't know. If I could find it, I'll leave it linked down below. I got a new body wash, my favorite body wash, and I actually ordered these on Etsy. They're empty shampoo bottles, but I don't recommend them. They were really expensive. I don't recommend them. First of all, I got tan labels and they look more green, and the bottles are very cheap feeling for how much I paid for them. This is the living room setup so far. It's a rug I got at Shop Amber Interiors. It's more of a gray vibe. It said it was beige, but it's totally a gray rug, but I'm obsessed with it. I love it a lot. And then here I just have my fireplace. This is everything from my old condo. I didn't bring the black shelves I had from my old condo because they were really breaking. These chairs are actually from Zara Home, but they're gonna go in my bedroom because it goes more with the vibe of my bedroom with that little table. I cleaned up the front entrance area because there was all salt stains and everyone from their shoes and stuff outside. I put this jute rug down from IKEA. I might want to get a little bit of a bigger one, but for now it works. I also want to get a darker, I don't even know what those are called. I don't know why they would put a white one on a gray floor. And then I decorated this little thing. This isn't the final decor, but I just wanted to put something on it. And I love the table. It's like a concrete looking table. It's from Crate & Barrel. It's a little bit bigger than I was expecting. I think it fits the place perfectly. And I want to get a nice big sconce to go there. I think it'll just add, I saw it on TikTok, I think it'll add a nice little touch. So my new Aroma 360 diffuser came, and they came out with diffusers for your car. And I'm not too sure how it works. I think it just sticks to your dash and like lets the scent out. I have no idea. I need to read the instruction. Oh. Yeah, so these are the instructions, but it's a car diffuser. But I got the bigger diffuser to diffuse scent throughout my whole house. You can actually hook it up to your HVAC system. I'm not gonna attempt that just yet, but eventually I'll hook it up and then the scent will just come through my ventilation. But I got these huge bottles. Tip, get these huge bottles if you have the smaller machine, and then fill your smaller bottles. It's cheaper that way. I got My Way, Nirvana. Oh, and I thought I had bought another one. Ooh, I got a package. I got a few packages. Okay, so I haven't been able to vlog very much because I lost somehow in the move. I lost my, come here baby. I lost my camera charger somewhere in the move, and I was like, don't worry, I'll find it. As I'm unpacking, I still haven't found it. So I ordered one from Amazon 2 days ago. It came yesterday, so I can finally vlog. Like, I missed so, not that I really was vlogging because I was kind of like a scrambled mess unpacking everything. I wanted to get my house kind of feeling like a house because there was boxes everywhere. I ordered another charger, and I ordered a lot of stuff from Amazon. I also ordered some stuff from Abercrombie. Ooh, I ordered a bathing suit. I have never tried their swim stuff out, but it looked really cute. I need to get back into working out. I'll show you guys my little home gym I made in my little basement area, because my basement's not completely finished. At the bottom of my stairs, that little area is finished, so I made it into like my little home gym. It's cute. Finally using the treadmill that I bought on Amazon. Look at how cute this is. Oh gosh, yeah, this should fit. Yeah, this will fit. Oh my gosh, isn't this darling, this little bikini? I got a size small. And the best part is that they also have a matching little sarong. Like, are you kidding? I need to book a vacation just so I could wear that bikini. The print is so pretty. And then I guess I'm getting into spring. Like, I have to start thinking about spring clothes and summer. And so I ordered this kind of color blocking pink and blue and yellow. It's just like, I thought it would look cute with like a plain white t-shirt and jeans on underneath, like a super simple outfit, or a tank top, or even like this would look really cute even on top of that bathing suit. I've always seen shirts like this. I thought they were really cute, especially for Easter. And then I also picked up a plain white bodysuit. I love their bodysuits. They're the absolute best. I got this little workout dress. I got a size extra small, and I got the petite one. It has shorts and stuff. It just looks like it might be a wee bit short. This is my stud finder. Not that exciting. I ordered so much on Amazon yesterday. For home stuff, like, you really just can't beat it. Necessities, they have everything. And I want to do an Amazon favorites video. So my washer and dryer got delivered yesterday, thank God. The rest of my appliances aren't going to be delivered until end of March, April, but my washer and dryer got delivered. Like, the one thing I was really stressing about, because as you guys know, I talked about, I got this fridge from IKEA, which is just like the perfect fridge. Honestly, I like this fridge even more than the fridge I used to have in my condo, and it was pretty affordable. It's still like almost $1,000. But this is what I'm really excited about. I got these like shoe stacking boxes. Oh my gosh, you have to build it all. Okay, I'm gonna build it and I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, that took way longer than I was anticipating. This is what it looks like. The doors are magnetic and it just comes down. So I'm going to stack them, although I don't know how they're going to stack without falling over. The bottom fits into the top of this one. Okay, that makes sense. It shows like 1 pair of shoes in here, but definitely I can fit 2 or 3 pairs in each little box, depending on what kind of shoe it is. You guys don't even know how exhausted I am from moving and doing my best to get everything set up as fast as possible. I really wanted it to just feel like a home, because when like the first few days it was really feeling like a chaotic mess. So I really wanted to get things set up and feel like a home, and I didn't vlog that much, and when I did vlog it was like sporadic and crazy, but it was a chaotic. Told you guys I was tired, but it was a chaotic and scattered move. But today's the first day that my house feels like a home. It feels like everything has a place. I want to close this vlog out here and say thank you for watching my moving vlog. I promise there will be a full kind of like home update things, because a lot of things have happened, a lot of things have changed. It looks a lot better. So there will be a whole home update, along with, you've probably already seen a few videos, or if you follow me on Instagram. Back to regular scheduled content. It's the spring starting soon, so there will be a lot of spring videos, spring fashion videos, and I'm excited to just get back into my routine, back to the office, back to the gym. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I'm off to bed. I love you. Good night.